शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Hello everyone. The Institute of Banking Personnel Selection has released IBPS Clerk 2020 application form and notification. This year, a total of 1557 vacancies will be filled through this recruitment exam. The prelims exam of IBPS Clerk will be held on December 5, 12 and 13, while the mains exam will be held on January 24, 2021. Interested candidates can fill their application forms till September 23rd. The application fees for the exam is Rs 850 for general and OBC candidates, while it is Rs 175 for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Before filling the application form, you must keep certain documents ready. The documents that you need to keep ready are scanned photograph and signature, left thumb impression, bank details for online transaction, valid email ID and handwritten declaration. The scanned photograph, signature, left thumb impression and handwritten declaration should be scanned as per the format prescribed by IBPS. To fill the application form of IBPS Clerk, you need to visit the official website, which is ibps.in. In the home page, you will find the registration link. Click that link to go to the registration page. The first and foremost step towards filling the application form is registration. To register for the exam, you need to enter certain details such as your name, mobile number, and CAPTCHA code. Once you submit all these details, your provisional registration number and password will be generated. Keep this provisional registration number and password for further reference. After registration, proceed towards uploading the scanned photograph and signature. Remember, the size of the photograph should be as per the format given by IBPS. Once you are done with uploading the photograph and signature, click the next button to proceed to the next page of the application form. Once you are done with uploading the photograph and signature, proceed towards filling your basic and personal details. In the basic details, you need to fill category, religion, nationality, number of attempts, state code, vacancies of state or UT you are applying for, center of prelims exam and center for mains exam, etc. In the personal details section, you need to enter your date of birth, gender, father's name, mother's name, address, state, pin code, district, etc. After entering all these details, validate the details and click on Save and Next button to proceed to the next page of application form. After entering your basic and personal details, you need to enter educational qualification, work experience and languages known by you. In the next step, you need to select your preferred banks. While previewing the application form, check all the details carefully, because after final submission, you are not allowed to change any details entered in the application form. The details that you should check carefully are name, category, scanned photograph, prelims exam center, mains exam center, application fee, personal details, contact details, educational qualification, bank preferences, etc. After checking these things thoroughly, sign the declaration and click on the submit button. After final submission of application form, you need to upload left thumb impression and handwritten declaration as per the format given by IBPS. Once you are done uploading these two documents, proceed towards paying the application fees. The application fees can be paid using credit card, debit card, internet banking, wallet or cash cards, UPI. You can also scan the QR code to pay the application fees. After successful fee payment, you will receive transaction acknowledgement slip. The transaction acknowledgement slip will display payment status, transaction ID, payment date, application fees, payment gateway transaction ID. You can take printout of the application form for further reference by clicking the print tab. With this, you are done with filling IBPS Clerk 2020 application form. You can also like our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram pages. The links of these pages are given in the description below.